Hi, everyone. Today we are going to focus on problems that have more than one step in them. You've learned how to solve many different kinds of one-step problems. Today, you're going to need to look for the hidden problem inside the main problem and try to figure it out. So really stretch your brains, but you guys got this. So we'll look at the problem. As we know, Sonia is getting a new bedroom. And so I'm kind of made this one up around that. So Sonia and her sister are going to install hardwood floors in their new bedrooms. Sonia's bedroom is 10 feet by 12 feet, and her sister's bedroom is 9 feet by 15 feet. So I'm going to ask you to use some private reasoning time and see if you can figure out which bedroom will have more flooring, and see if you can figure out how you know and how much more it might have. So go ahead and press the pause button, use some private reasoning time, and I'll see you back in a few minutes. Okay, so if we're talking about flooring and figuring out how much flooring we have, first I need to figure out, am I trying to figure out the perimeter or the area? And the perimeter is just the length and the width, but the area is the whole thing. So it's area that we're trying to look for. So Sonia's bedroom is closer to a square. And so we'll call this 12 and we'll call this 10. And her little baby sister's flooring is, actually, I'm going to redo this. Hang tight. I want to have the 10-foot side here and the 12-foot side here. And then for her little baby sister, we're going to have a 15 like that. So on this one is 10 by 12, and this one is 9 by 15. So when we're talking area, we're talking length times width. Remember, when two letters are stuck close together like that, you multiply them. So it's length times width. So you can probably do in your head 10 times 12 is 120. And if I was estimating, I could look at this 9 and call it 10 times 15, and I would know that 10 times 15 is 150. So I am going to say that this one has more. If I'm trying to find the exact answer, I'm going to go 15 times 9, which is 135. 9 times 5, 9 times 1. So this would be 135 square feet. Now the next problem of how much more, that's just a simple subtraction problem. So I'm going to subtract 130. I'm going to take 135 and subtract 120 from it. And it's 15 square feet more. So when you look at this, the hidden question is how many square feet is Sonia's bedroom and how many square feet is her sister's bedroom? And you need to know that in order to figure out how many to find more. So when you do your reteaching worksheet, it's going to be asking you for those hidden questions. Once you identify if there's a hidden question, it really helps you know where to begin to solve a more complicated question. Now, I want to remind you that when you are multiplying fractions, if you say, for instance, half of 5, you're multiplying 1/2 times 5. Of is that little keyword that reminds you to multiply. All right, good luck.